Hello lovelies, in today's video I will be showing you how I actually apply the Cactus Deep Conditioner on my natural hair, and I'll also be sharing the benefits of deep conditioning natural hair, why you need to do it. So this video, please don't skip it, because I will be sharing important information about deep conditioning, guys. So please keep on watching. Hello lovelies, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If you are new, please subscribe, and also guys, please like the video, click on the like button and on the notification bell to all, so that you won't miss any of my uploads in the future. Now this is my cactus gel and my shea butter as well. We will be including this in our cactus deep conditioner and moringa powder as well. But if you don't have this, don't worry, you can only use the conditioner. The white stuff in that bowl, it's a conditioner. Now you can use any conditioner of choice, but make sure that it has slip. All right. Now you're gonna use 2 tablespoons of shea butter, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of moringa powder. All right, and then you add in your cactus gel in the mixture. All right, now when you have done this, I always love to add oils to my deep conditioners, because I think that it actually adds a little bit more of slip if you are actually applying it on the hair. All right, now I'm going to mix it up. If you don't have a mixer like this, you can mix it up with your hands, guys. You don't have to worry about that. Okay, now you also use I also apply my essential oils, because I love essential oils, the smell of it, and it also helps to increase the hair density as well. That's what essential oils are for. If you want to see 9 powerful essential oils that will grow your hair like crazy, I'll leave a video in the description box below. Hello lovelies, welcome back. Now this is my deep conditioner, guys. I'm going to apply it. Now we're going to talk about the benefits of actually deep conditioning natural hair, why you need to do it, because most people don't actually know that it's very, very important to deep condition natural hair. The first reason why you need to deep condition natural hair, especially if you're low porosity hair, guys, even if you are normal porosity hair, the reason why you need to deep condition your natural hair is because your hair is naturally dry. The reason why our hair is always dry is because the natural oil that comes out of your scalp, that is the oil that is supposed to be moisturizing your hair, right? It's called sebum. Now that oil does not travel all the way down the hair shaft, because our hair is super curly and it has those curls, so that oil, it doesn't really travel fast down to the ends of the hair, protecting the hair, right? That's why we need all those treatments, like hot oil treatments, to help out the hair, to coat all the hair, to make it stronger, because our natural oil, which is sebum, it doesn't really travel fast down to the ends of our hair. That's why our hair is always dry. Now if you see white people's hair, it's not as dry as ours, because their hair is very straight. Now the natural oils from their scalp actually travel down fast down their hair shaft, because their hair is not curly, and that's why you see they always like wash their hair maybe maybe once every day. They wash their hair every day because their hair is very oily, because the oil travels down the hair shaft very, very quickly. So they need to wash their hair on a regular basis. And that's why their hair grow fast, because they're always washing their scalp, making sure that their scalp is clean. Now, that is the reason why you need to deep condition. Now, deep condition is a next level step, guys, on actually returning all the moisture back to your hair. Now the reason why we need to deep condition our hair is because we want to return the moisture back, and we want the hair to be moisturized from within. All right, from within, guys. Now if you have low porosity hair, your cuticles are tightly closed up, so there is no way anything is going to get inside your hair to actually give your hair moisture or to moisturize your hair. So that's why you need to be deep conditioning with indirect heat. Wearing a deep conditioning cap if you're low porosity hair, it's advised, guys. But if you don't have it, you can wear a plastic, but I would really encourage you to invest in sorry guys, to invest in a deep conditioning cap, and I will leave a link in the description box below if you want to go and purchase your own. It's very, very important, guys. Honestly, you need to invest in a deep conditioning cap that you will use. If you are deep conditioning your hair weekly, you would use that deep conditioning cap weekly as well if you are deep conditioning your hair weekly. Now this actually helps to open up the cuticles of your hair, to allow all the nutrients, all the moisture that you are using in the, let's say in my deep conditioner there is cactus, right? There is coconut oil. Coconut oil has its own benefits, right? Cactus has its own benefits. The castor oil has its own benefits, but those benefits are not going to benefit your individual strand if that strand is not opened up. If the cuticles are not opened up, it's not going to benefit your hair, guys. So the reason why we apply deep conditioners is because we really want to treat inside our hair, the cortex of the hair. That's where we want to reach, inside the hair strand, not outside, guys. We really want that moisture to get inside. Did you know that deep conditioning can actually grow your hair if you do this on a regular basis? Because one, you're adding moisture to your hair. Two, you are adding needed nutrients inside the hair, not just outside but inside. So it's very, very important to deep condition on a regular basis because you are giving your hair nutrients on a regular basis. But if you're thinking of doing like a protective style and you want your hair to have, some rest, some vacation, you can do protective styles. But with that protective style, you need to also deep condition if that protective style allows you to. Now, I always love doing protective styles that allows me to deep condition my hair. Like if I have mini twist in, I can deep condition my hair with those mini twist in. If I have mini braids, I can still deep condition my hair with those mini braids. So you see, now if you have cornrows, it's very hard to deep condition because you don't want that deep condition to be, to cause a lot of build up on your cornrows, because if you're taking it down, it's going to be very, very hard to take down your cornrows. So if you really want a style that will allow you to deep condition your hair weekly, I would advise doing mini twist or mini braids, because you can still deep condition your hair, and after you deep condition, you can actually wash your scalp with a soap. Now the reason why I'm saying this, because you don't want that build up on your individual braid. Now when you're taking it down, it's going to be very hard to take down. So after deep conditioning, you can actually wash your scalp with a soap and remove that deep condition, like that cream. It will cause a lot of build up on each braid. All right, now deep conditioning also prevents hair damage. Now deep conditioning natural hair prevents hair damage. When your hair is moisturized, it prevents breakage and split ends. So you see, if you have a lot of split ends, when you deep condition your hair, it actually helps to prevent split ends and prevent breakage, guys. Deep conditioning also promotes hair elasticity. Now, deep conditioning natural hair promotes elasticity. Elasticity is a sign of healthy and well moisturized hair. So if you see that your hair doesn't have elasticity, that means that you're not deep conditioning enough. Now your hair is easy. It's so easy for your hair to snap off if your hair doesn't have that elasticity. Now elasticity actually comes from deep conditioning your hair on a regular basis. All right, so that's the other benefit of deep conditioning natural hair. Now you can tell if your hair is elastic by pulling on a section when your hair is wet. It bounces back with the spring. Your hair is healthy and can withstand additional treatments like blow drying or installing braids. You see, if you are even blow drying your hair, it withstands that because your hair is stronger. It has that elasticity on it. If you stretch it, it bounces back. That shows that your hair is very healthy, and breakage, it's a hard thing. okay, on your hair, because your hair, it has elasticity. But if it doesn't have elasticity, it breaks easily, guys. Those are the benefits of deep conditioning your hair on a regular basis. When I mean regular basis, I mean weekly. You must have a consistent basis of deep conditioning. You can actually grow your hair to your back with deep conditioning, guys, because deep conditioning allows all those nutrients inside the hair. I hope this video was helpful, guys, for you to know the benefits of deep conditioning natural hair. If you have any questions for me, please leave them in the description box below. We can talk more about deep conditioning, but guys, it's super important. Now I'm going to wear a plastic and put on my deep conditioning cap to deep condition my hair. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one, God willing. Bye now.